Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing one of the special cars that I got. So this is 1997 Nissan Cedric. Okay, so Nissan has a lot of variant cars from the same platform. So this body, call it 133. I mean the chassis, right? So this chassis has so many different cars, especially in around the 96, 97, 99 era. So one of this body basically share a lot of different name of Nissan car. So this is let's call it, this is Nissan Cedric, and another thing they're gonna call it Nissan Gloria, and they have another called Nissan Cima, which is pretty much basically same body, same chassis, different engine, different headlight, different taillights, different amenity. And they just trying to make it like several different car out of one platform. So Nissan Cedric is they make it more like a kind of like a luxury sports. To be honest, this is direct competitor from Nissan from Toyota Aristo. So basically they try to compete with Aristo, the Aristo V300 Vortex. That was 1JZ GTE turbo, right? So this one has a turbo engine too. So this one has VQ30 DET. So VQ30 engine is like a regular V6 engine, not the inline six like the Toyota. So this is regular V6 engine. They call it VQ30, which is very same engine, basically same engine as Nissan Maxima here, right, in United States, and Infiniti i30 in US. So they use basically the same engine of VQ30. And don't get me wrong with the VG30. All right, VG30 is the one from 300ZX, the Fair Lady in Japan, and 300ZX in US. They use a VG30 DETT. They have a twin turbo. So this one is like a little bit different. So different type of engine, but it's pretty nice, especially on this car, right? This is one of the car Nissan Cedric that you can ever get it from Japan. And as I don't think you can find any cleaner car like this. It has original factory Nissan aero kit. So this is body kit is directly from Nissan. It looks really nice, especially it's lower already, and it has a very nice 19 inches rims. It's like VIP style already, and it has the straight pipe too. So the car looks so good, drives so good, and it has the a little bit of paint touching here and there that I want to mention it. However, this is pretty clean inside and outside, and it drives very nice too. It does come with the aftermarket intercooler. So it's a Blitz intercooler. It has the HKS blow-off valve, and it has a straight pipe. It has a HKS air intake, and I believe the original owner pretty messed with a little bit, but kept that car very clean. So it was kind of like usually you will see that kind of car like this and probably already beat up, and people abuse already, but not on this car, trust me. This is pretty clean car, I'm telling you. So let me show you inside, all right? Then you can decide it. And before that, let me show you around the body that I kind of feel like, yeah, I don't know why they did it, but hey, this is what it is. I like the rims. The rims is super nice. and the straight pipe sounds so good. It is not loud. It's not like super loud or anything. I think Japanese government doesn't allow you to have like that really loud bass or anything. But this is really nice, and also the turbo whistle when you drive, that makes it sound much cooler on this car than any other car, right? So let's take a look closer. I'll show you around, and then I'll show you the inside. Then after that, I'll put my camera down next to the Azor, so that way you can hear the startup, and you can hear the Azor note. It was pretty awesome. It's really nice Azor though, and it has a pretty nice taillights also. I don't know why, but it looks much better than the other Gran Turismo that I have. Oh, so by the way, so this is Nissan Cedric. They call it Gran Turismo Ultima. All right, they do have a regular Gran Turismo Nissan Cedric, but you see, here's the thing that I don't see any the Cedric spelling or anything here. But hey, it is Cedric. And the body kit looks good. Some part are like not up to par, but it's a good looking body kit. And also I like the rims. The rims looks really nice on this car especially, and there's some like a scratch here and there, but overall it looks good. The paint in pretty good condition. I would say 8 out of 10. The paint is just need to get some polish, and it will be really nice. And the roof looks good, and the other body parts looks great. And I don't know why they made like this. It's kind of weird, but I don't know, you might want to consult with them, I would say collision body, and see if they can make it looks better. And here's some things, like here's the paints of, not paint, I mean the chromes are peeling, but just a plastic things. I will just take it out and paint it like or spray it black. That will be much nicer. I like the body kit though. I was thinking like it could be like a very similar to the Skyline body kit. So I might be wrong. Just if you guys have any idea about this kit, just leave me comments and just let me know what is it. I really want to learn from you guys too. It is lower, like pretty low here, and then like you can see that almost touching the body. But overall, this is pretty nice, shiny looking car, right? Alright, let's this is dirty. I think they used to put the I would say satellite antenna or something, because they watch TV in Japan while they're driving, and some sort of thing. So here's the interior. Interior looks fantastic though. Interior looks really nice, and the seats are in good shape, and there's no stain or anything. It looks pretty awesome here. And it's this Gran Turismo in metal plate though. And this is pretty awesome. And it does come with this auxiliary port. I'm just guessing the original car has the probably has the type of like some type of navigation and then screens that you guys can watch it and stuff like that. But right now it's not. Right now it does have aftermarket radio. I think I prefer the aftermarket radio better anyway. So, and you know what? Another thing I want to mention is here. Look at this one. This is seat pocket on the headrest. I've never seen that one before. Here's the seat pocket, right? Behind the seat. All right, I got it. But I don't know. Why do you have to have the seat pocket on the headrest? Well, kind of different. Yeah, overall, very clean interior. Both sides are power seat, and also here you can see this Gran Turismo metal plate, and down here is a, I don't know, it's a Gloria. Yeah, it's kind of weird. And this is a dash. Sorry about that. So this is a dash, and Let me show you around here. So on the driver's side, it looks pretty clean. So they both has a power seat, right? And there's no memory seat or anything, but does come with this seat button, the seat movement button on the side. So which means that you can just move the seat around without going over to the other seat to change it. You know, that's just pretty good idea. And I don't know if you guys remember, I make the review about one of my Cedric or Seamer. It has the center console that open. Right, here's the center console open, and those are some type of like a divider to put in the between stuff, right? So it's open like this on that side, and there's another button like this too, and open on the other side too. So it's kind of weird that this thing like open on both way, and this is just a regular one, and it has it's automatic, right? And it had just have the automatic transmission on the snow. I believe it should be the one of snow, and red one is just regular. It's a Pioneer CD aftermarket CD player right now. It looks pretty nice, and the aircon is cold. It has the aftermarket naughty steering wheel. It looks really nice on it, and it has the turbo timer over there. And pretty much that's about it. Let me it's a side airbag too, pretty nice. Let me start the car. I'll show you the engine. I'll show you the engine first. I'll start the car, and all right. Let me show you the trunk. Oh, so this is where the trunk's open. All right. Show you the engine. Then I'll put my things down there. Then I'll start the car so you can hear. So here's the HKS intake and blow off valve, and this is the VQ30 turbo V6. So pretty solid, nice car. And this is called Blitz intercooler. So aftermarket intercooler down here. Yeah, pretty clean engine. I think it's about like 151,000 kilometers or something. So like I would say about 95,000 miles. So overall it looks super nice car. That's here the offset of the rings that you can see it. I just came out a little bit. It's kind of wider. It just definitely is already in VIP style. So I mean, you don't even have to do anything. Just take this car to the car meets and everyone's gonna love it. So this is the aftermarket. Oh, not aftermarket. The spare tires and jack. So all right, here. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave my things here. So you can hear the exhaust sound. Alright, I'll be right back. So what do you guys think of it? It sounds pretty nice, isn't it? You can, I don't know if you can hear the turbo whistle. it just like doing like this. I love this sound. I always like that, like turbo noise, you know, when you, especially I used to have the Toyota Chaser, the GTS 100 with the 1JZ GT. It sounds like that too. It was pretty awesome, especially when you drive around, you know. It's not that loud, but it's nice, you know. So yeah, here's my car, and I'm not sure if I want to sell it. You know, I'm just thinking like maybe I should keep it for myself. So if I get the right price, I'll just sell it. Otherwise, I'll just keep it. It's because this is a pretty damn looking car that nothing need to be worried about, nothing need to be fixing. It is like a car meets ready, let's say. All right. Really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching it. You know, I just guys, if you guys need anything, just let me know. Leave some comments, and if you have any question, just leave it there and just send me a message or something, you know. My phone number is there. Just I appreciate it. I know this is a little bit longer video than I used to do it, but it's worth it. I really appreciate that you guys watching it. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet. Thank you so much. All right, see you guys later. Bye.